Hi guys, welcome back. King Studio here. So we talk about gold, how it work here. So this is the level here. Exactly, you have to buy from here. Just break out totally from here to here, right? So we have to buy already here. So this is your stop losses. Keep your stop losses little far here, almost 2037. So 2035 your stop losses. That's your targets is 249, and we have to see our target outside. I hope you make great setup. You can buy from here exactly. Just wait for this trend line if it's break out, and then you can buy again here. And you can see here it's the same things. There's a market, just breakout, fake breakout again. It is didn't break this one level, 2031, right? So that's why we have to buy from here. Let's break out this one, and we have to other one we have target 2049. So make sure you can follow this one, and I think Indian stock market will go also upside. If it's go upside, and also Indian stock market will be reach upside also. So this is our target here, guys. This is our stop process. Our target is here 46569, and Nifty. But we didn't close here, but we have a store close here because this is fake breakout only here. So we have to wait 21,837. So it's market still working upside. So the other target is here. Same you can see here, cup and holder. If it's break this one level like this, it will be good. Like if it's break out this one level. Okay, so make sure remember this and this like this. But it's still working upside. You have to focus upside channel. Gold, you can execute your trade if you like our strategies and all the things, because my strategy is telling me it didn't break this one level. Retest already here done. Test is going up, right? Make sure you execute your trade also. Thank you guys.